What's going on, everybody? Ryan here with the Lawn Channel. In today's video we're going to start the process of transitioning this to a, I guess you call it, Bluemuda lawn. We're going to overseed with Kentucky Bluegrass. So haven't yet decided on the seed. I think I know what I'm going to do there, but I'll get to that on another video. But today what we're going to do is put down some plant growth regulator over this area of the yard. I put plant growth regulator down one time this year, and it was my downfall that I didn't keep applying it, and which is why my Heidi cut in the front yard ended up kind of out of control, and why it's pretty much still brown from the scalp. I haven't fertilized it. It hasn't really rained much, and it hasn't grown much. So, but yeah, today we're going to put plant growth regulator back here. I'm going to keep the video short because the last video I just posted was like 15 or 20 minutes, and it was nothing. Me just fighting a lawnmower. But we're gonna keep it short. We're gonna go at, I normally go with a 1/4 ounce per thousand. I think we'll go with a 1/2 ounce per thousand back here, just to give it a little extra power. We are gonna scalp it in a couple of days and get it all the way down. And I think between the plant growth regulator and scalping it at this point in the season, I think we'll be fine. I can throw out the bluegrass seed, and I don't think we're gonna have to worry about the Bermuda still just kind of taking over or anything like that. So with that said, I hope you enjoyed this video. You'll see some video of me applying this stuff right here. This is called T-Nex. So yeah, the rest of the video is just gonna be that. I hope you enjoyed the video, or I hope you enjoyed the video. Leave a like, comment, subscribe, please. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. So we have a little water here. We're gonna probably just go ahead and measure out the T-Nex. Go ahead and put it in here and start filling it up with water. Yeah, and I guess we'll use I didn't think about it, but surfactant. I'll throw a surfactant in here. I'm gonna wait till the end to do that because that just causes everything to kind of foam up a little bit. Quick question, tenacity. Would that be useful in this situation to when we're overseeding Bermuda? Let me know in the comments if that would be okay, considering it's gonna pretty much die out here very shortly anyway. Leave a comment. So we're going with a 1/2 ounce per thousand. It's 2,000 square feet. We're gonna go 1 ounce. Just cleaning out the little mixer here. Measuring cup. Some surfactant here. This is a Southern Ag surfactant, and I just kind of pour some in there. I don't know how much to use. I just throw it in there. We're gonna mix it up. So I really didn't think about it. We're kind of windy today, so this will be interesting to see how good coverage I get. So pretty windy day, spraying chemicals. You may not want to watch the rest of the video actually. Also, let's look at the issues I've dealt with over here that I have not addressed, which is fungus. You can see the dark green spots where the dogs probably peed. Yeah, and here's the front over here. Yeah, so the front is recovering from a late summer scalp, and it may not recover actually. I haven't watered, fertilized, done anything that needed to be done. So got a T-jet nozzle on this sprayer. Works really well. Not in the wind though. So my battery died kind of close to the end, so we'll let the battery charge up and I'll finish it up another day, maybe tomorrow, I don't know, but I got like 90% of it covered, so I'm not really worried about it out competing the bluegrass anyway, because it's not really growing much at all right now as it is. See you in the next one.